Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside Countersink drill bit set, and I will show you how to use this tool, the model PHB 3A2. 5 pieces set inside. Diameter we have 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5 and 5.5 and 6 millimeters. Fits all standard drills and cordless screwdrivers made for high quality carbon steel for countersink screw heads. Includes def, cut and hex key and the diameters. Let's see what we have inside. Nice plastic case. You can see all the diameters here, and here we are. You can adjust that and that. You can put it wherever is nice for you. You can adjust it how much you want. You can take that out and replace it. You can adjust the length. Maybe you don't want to go all the way in the bit, the drilling bit. And then you can tighten it again. Now let's move on for testing to see how we can work with this countersink drill bit set. And here we are. I will use this 2.5 millimeters of wood and the cordless drill from Parkside. First, I will use this 3 millimeters. But first you need to adjust how much it will go further the head from the screw. And to do that, you need the Allen key. And adjust it from here, as I showed you before. Adjust this ring. And screw it again. And again you can drill the hole. And then you can screw this. And you're good to go. Then we can use another 4 millimeters. And again, you can adjust the ring here. And drill again. And again, you can install this screw. And it will go all the way in, as much as you need, in the same line with the wood. Well guys, that was all about this countersink drill bit set. I think for 4.5 euros, just buy it. You never know when you will need that. Just leave it to your drawer, into your workplace, and someday it will be helpful. I think it's a great tool, why not? And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe, share this video, hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.